Another meal for puppies. These are beetroots, beetroot soup, and then rice. Let's try with this. These kids might be eating some chicken and all. Right now it's very tiny, no?
What do you want?
Stylish with all the puppies. I'm feeling very sad for him.
Show that leg girl.
Yeah, that's what yesterday also we showed. No?
What happened to you?
Look at those puppies, always sitting underneath Stylish leg. I mean, we want to feed the puppies because it looks like they are having indigestion or something. So let's see how it works well or not. Okay, your turn. Come. Look at this film. Drank milk. Eat this. Come. It's feeling cold, yeah? Today is 5th of November and then it's night right now. And then we are going to meet the puppies and feed them. We found out their mother also was not in a condition to be shown because she's very thin, really malnourished. She was not able to feed her puppies also. And we found her finally. We'll show you her also doing fine. Just giving the diluted milk and rice to them. Once we reach there at the place, we are going to show you. We need to find the puppies again because they might be sleeping somewhere or hiding in some constructed buildings. So food is packed. And then this is for mother. So let's go and meet you guys. Love dogs. Both of us are dog lovers, right? And now we are getting into the layout where the puppies are living right now. So let's find out where they exactly stay. Because during the daytime, no, Sailesh, when we go, they are always playing there around and go feed them. And today it's quite late because we were busy also. Look at this, man. This is how we have to go. As we said in our last vlog, we live close to the nature. This is how it looks, the other layout also. We have entered the layout. Finally, we are reaching. Got to take left from here. Hopefully they are there, man. Usually they used to be underneath that car. Let's see. I think we need to call them out. Come, come. 5 of them are there?
Yes.
Okay, come. Wait. I'll give you.
it here. Look at it here. Look at this picture. Don't bite, don't bite.
Where's the other one? That was the scene, people. We just took our little bit of time, came to meet them, fed them. They're always happy, you know, when they see us. If you're dog lovers here in Bengaluru, it's always that you have to go for a very good breed and all, right? Dogs are same. So if you want to adopt, you can message us.
We had seen them from the time they was born, right?
So they were so tiny, man. They were not able to open their eyes also.
Time I think the mother was not there.
Adoption is something you can even adopt the stray puppies, right? By the way, they are same, yeah.
The reason we can't do is because this guy which we have,
Yeah.
this team, he will not
Yeah.
allow. He is very aggressive that way.
Yeah.
So that's why we come regularly and feed them.
Yeah.
And they actually came to our house, by the way.
So we are returning people back. Get this guy. He's right here. This is the way to where we live right now, and we get milk from there. This is how it looks, huh? By the way, look at this. We said, right, we live next to the nature. We love nature. We love green. So here it is. The other side, if you can see, there's a little bit of forest, a little bit of trees there, and then this is how it looks, full of tall grasses both the sides. It's tall as my height, by the way. Reached home. We are gonna do bonfire today, no Silesh?
Yes.
It's quite cold. Come join the bonfire, Mr. Justin. Weather is quite cold today. And then where is Silesh? Silesh is right there making bonfire. Right over here. Is it burning? Oh shit. Difficult? Stay a little far, huh? Go, come here, Justin. Yeah, that's good.
Need more tissue paper.
You need tissue paper again. I don't need your gift. Go. Shame on you, Justin. Shame. Back home. Utta ready. Agide. This is spinach. And then amaranthus. And this is squash curry. And dal over here. And then rice. There. Justin is eating his food.